Hi, welcome back to Mr. Chemistry. This is Redox reactions, oxidation, reduction, and acidic solution, problem number 4. Redox reaction and an acidic solution. Okay, here we go. Cr2O7 2 minus plus C2H4O yields C2H4O2 plus Cr3 plus. Okay, well, let's go ahead and break this down into two half reactions. All right, the first half reaction we're going to use as C2H4. Make a better 4 than that. Hang on for a second. C2H4 O yields C2H4 O2. That'll be the first half reaction. The second half reaction will be Cr2O7 2 minus yields Cr3 plus. Okay, well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add up the waters here. So we got one water on this side and two, so we're going to need a water on this left side. So we're going to put H2O right there. Okay? So that gives us 2 hydrogens, so we're going to need to put 2 hydrogens over here to balance out our hydrogens. Okay, so everything's looking pretty good so far. Alright, on the other side, we notice that this Cr2O7 has an overall charge of -2. So we're going to have to mess around with a few things here real quickly. The first thing we need to do is to go ahead and notice that Cr2, so we have to put a 2 in front of the Cr here. Now, this has a +6 charge here, and this has got oxygen's got -2, so this will give you -14, and 2 times 6 is 12, so 12 minus 14 would give us this -2. So everything looks good on that side right there. So we're going to go ahead and resolve this right here. Okay, and now let's go ahead and let's see this here. So we went from a +6 electrons to a +3 electrons. So we gained electrons and we gained exactly 3 electrons, right? Okay, so what does that mean? Well, let's go ahead and let's see what that's going to mean here. Also, on this side of the equation, you notice that you've got 7 oxygens. So you're going to need 7 oxygens over here, so it'd be 7 H2O. Alright, so that means we're going to need 14 hydrogens over here. Okay, so things are getting a little bit crowded here, so let's go ahead and you see this 3 here? We're going to multiply that side by 3 because of that 3. So that means we're going to have 3 H2O plus 3 C2H4 better. O yields 3 C2H4 O2, right, plus 6 hydrogens. So now we know we have 14 hydrogens on this side plus Cr2O7 2 minus yields 2Cr 3 plus 7 H2O. All right, now we need to start canceling things out. So we cancel out our 3 electrons because we have 3 electrons on both sides. We cancel those out. Because when we did this, this is going to give me, of course, plus 3 electrons here. This had a plus 3 electrons there. All right. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to do some cancellation here. So when we do that, of course, our electrons are going to cancel here and here. Our waters are we're going to lose 3 waters here and go down to 4 waters there. Okay. And we have 6 hydrogens on this side, so that's going to take us down to 8 hydrogens here. So now the next step is to combine both half reactions. All right, here we go. So that would give us 8 hydrogens plus Cr2O7 2 minus plus 3C2H4O yields 3C2H4O2 plus 2Cr3 plus 4H2O. And that's it. That wasn't too bad. If you like this video, give us a like and consider subscribing so we can grow this channel. You guys be snarly. I will see you back here at Museum Chemistry.